Yes. Counting. And it feels like
if
it's
it doesn't,
gonna
if it's gonna rotate on. Anyway, yeah, here's our little dolly truck that we used with 30-pound braided test, and then in theory.
Okay.
How about we go through where there's less stuff for snakes to hide in?
Sure.
So we're trying to use this to get a zip line shot down this fishing line, but upright to go through the trees. Let's see if we can pull it off. Slow in the beginning or go all the way?
At this point, if we could just get it to stay facing up, that would be a win. But we
Why don't you go like 20 feet down, and I'm just going to send it down, and let's see what it looks like on the way down. Now, am I going to go high so it goes the whole length? Or you just want the beginning?
I think we should just observe it, and if it seems to, play it like a fish, try to keep it as smooth as possible.
The problem is letting it bounce.
This one?
So here, hold on. I'm coming. Don't let go.
I'll hold this. You tell me when you're in position.
Hold on. Oh.
I was making an adjustment.
Okay, so I'm going to try and keep it tight, but I'm going to try and keep it from bouncing. So
Okay.
you want to start from up here?
Okay. We already saw it hit that log. Okay. All the way across? Test 2.
That wasn't like perfect.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, that worked out pretty good. I actually went down as we got closer to the end, which is not what I expected. I expected to have to go up. So we got there.
I'm so proud of us.
So the little can dolly zoom thing worked. Nice and smooth almost all the way to the end. It stopped about a foot away. You want me to hold it between them again? Here. Go ahead. I'm pretty sure I'm centered. For doing slider, we put this on a 30-pound test fishing line and then ran it through the straw. We used the cups to keep the camera upright, and then we sent it through the trees kind of like this, upright. Can't wait to see what that turns out like. But now we're going to fly over a meadow, or have it fly over a meadow with the camera facing down, more like this facing forward. So let's see what happens.
I can't see him from here, but I sure can see you. You're gonna duck, right? Okay.
There's a very distinct game trail right here. We could do that second. Right, it's very distinct, and it was right through here.
Perfect. That sounds good.
Over the water. There's the water. That bear was about the size of the smaller one you and I saw.
Uh-huh. I saw it just crash, crash up into the hillside there.
Okay, so now we gotta figure out our trajectory, like for the camera. Oh, it's already recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the other thing. Do we want to do HD in a higher frame rate or 60 in mid?
Let's try 1 of Sheesh. It wasn't that hard to walk it up.
No.
It's easier than that hillside.
Go about 20 feet down.
Okay.
I'm gonna slide it. Let's see how fast it gets going. Right there's fine. Let go. You don't want it to go fast.
Yeah,
It's gonna go quick, but whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what it is. We'll put a glove on. Oh, shit. Oh, they're up here. Stop the recording, otherwise you're gonna have to scrub through it.
Yeah.
Another successful zipline attempt.